This video was sponsored by Enhance, Neowatt, A Better Road Planner, Elbilmek, Kempower and Bilkomponenter.
Yo, what's up? This is MG IM6, and when I had it in Norway for a quick test, unfortunately it wasn't a full week. I did not have time to do banana box test, but over here we have the banana boxes, so we're gonna check out how much space do we have. Might get help from my little assistants here, but does it have the same space as a Model Y, for example? Let's find out. But first, does it have a Frunk? What do we have here? Oh, seems to be a small Frunk. Wow. But just to show you how small it is. Yeah, it's not like an Onvo L90 or I don't know. Maybe the other Onvo also. L60. Haven't checked it out yet, but okay. So not that big. Not sure what's up here. Let's see. Do we have a lid? Oh, shit! We have a lid under the lid. Why do we need two lids? Sorry for the noise. This is how it is. You know, the kids are, yeah, there and there. But okay, no banana boxes in the front. And in the back here, we have a big, sexy butt. Yeah, I like big butts, and I cannot lie. That's the button to open the trunk. Seems to be okay sized trunk, and there's also a lid under here. Wow, so it's fairly spacious, could almost fit one banana box, right? And then, well, here I think there's supposed to be some screws there and there, but they are not there present now. And then here we have access to components. I don't know what these are. Is that amplifier, or do we have the onboard charger here? Okay. But I suppose we cannot utilize this space. And then subwoofer is here. We have cargo securing hooks, metal, quite sturdy, nice in all four corners. And then 12-volt outlet there and light there. And that's pretty much it. Oh yeah. I think we can recline up a bit. Actually, the shape here resembles Ioniq 5. You see, this is premium Chinese auto, so of course you can recline. Let me check here. Oh, okay, it's just like this. Okay, so you take it up and you do this until it clicks. Okay, so that is in the more upright position, and then we can recline, but we're gonna go upright for the maximum cargo space. But it's still nice and comfy here. Wow. Okay, round one in the trunk. How many boxes? Well, because of the sloping end, I could only take 1, 2, 3 here. That's great. 4, 5, 6, 7. So, my own MG ZS EV can take 8 boxes, and it costs just 1/5 of this car. Okay, now let's fold the seat and see how many we can take then. What are the kids doing now? Anyway, as usual, I pack as much as possible in here. The problem is the sloping backside, plus that it seems to have quite thick side walls and stuff, you know. But at least the panorama roof helps. We can stack all the way up there. Yeah. And then you see the slope in the back here. Well, and then because we're in Thailand, Thai, then we have to count in Thai.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15,
23, 24. Well, this car has the same space as a Jaco 5 that costs half the price. Actually less than half the price. This is 1.4 million baht. Jaco 5 is 640k baht. But yeah, I think the problem is that, like I mentioned, you know, they have some thick walls all over the place and the slope, so that's why it cannot take that many boxes, also none in the frunk. So yeah, if you want the most space, you have to get an XPeng G6 or a Tesla Model Y. That's gonna be it for now. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, thank you for watching and talk to you later.